Hi, my name is Jeff Day, and I am the founder of GED Solutions. At GED Solutions, our goal is to help you through the GED exam. The GED exam is a 5-part test which is very comparable to the exit exam given in high schools. What does GED stand for? GED stands for the General Educational Development, and it is a high school equivalency exam. Now, to help you get the GED exam the first time, look in your box. You'll see a calculator, which I've included. You'll need that for the math portion. Your textbook, which includes a CD-ROM in the back, and your GED Solutions DVD, 6-part DVDs. The GED, like I said before, is 5 parts. The mathematics, the science, the social studies, language arts reading, and language arts writing. It's approximately a 7.5-hour exam given at your local college, and it will be accepted at approximately 95% of all colleges in America. Also, approximately 95% of all employers accept the GED as an equivalent to a high school diploma. Therefore, I want you to understand a couple of things about the GED. The GED doesn't matter what age, religion, race, gender, or last grade completed. Everyone can pass the GED, and with the course I've set up, you will have a great opportunity to better your life. Let's talk about the exam. I'd like everyone to open your book to page 6. On the left side, you'll see the GED at a glance. Test 1 is the language arts writing, and it is a 2-part test. Part 1 dealing with sentence structure, usage, mechanics, and organization. Part 2 is an essay, a 45-minute essay of approximately 250 minutes. Test 2 is your social studies, which includes history, geography, economics, and political science. Test 3 is science, which includes life science, physical science, chemistry and physics, and earth and space science. Test 4 is your language arts reading test, which tests your knowledge of literary fiction and nonfiction. Test 5, the mathematics, has 2 parts. Part 1 allows the use of a calculator, and Part 2 does not allow the use of a calculator. Let's talk about that calculator. Everybody turn to page 9. On page 9, under Test 5 Mathematics, you'll see that it talks about the mathematics test, Part 1. It allows the calculator use, and Part 2 does not allow the use of a calculator. The only specific calculator allowed for the GED is the Casio FX260 Solar, which I've got in your package so that you can become very familiar with it before the exam. Now, the first thing I want you to do before you continue is to take the practice exam that's located in the rear of your textbook. It's the blue, green, and white DVD, which goes into your computer, and take exam number 1. And when you take exam number 1, it will score your exam and give you the results that you need to know to decide which parts you need emphasis on and which parts you probably already know. So take exam number 1 before continuing this DVD. By now, you should know where your strengths and weaknesses lie. After taking the practice exam, take a look at the results and determine where you need more emphasis in the 5-part exam. So let's get started with language writing.